India. So through which we can monitor the distance between pupils. It's like a bird view seeing the pupils in the public area. It's like bird when see the pupils like a dot, है ना? So this is the concept of how we can judge the distance between two pupils. So the engine is developed by using several models based on neural network, TensorFlow, and deep learning. So as you can see that in this there are two colors of boxes. One is red boxes and there is green boxes. You see that the people are way more closer to each other are represented in red box, and the people are way have a large distance between them are represented in green boxes. As you can see in bird eye view, we are showing ki in green dots there is a much more difference between them, but in red dot they are way more closer. So this is the data which we collect from our CCTV and send it to the related authority to do further work. है ना? So here comes the use of data science. So as we collected the data, it will send to the responsible authority for further analysis. By following certain parameter, and authority process the data and differentiated the zone on the basis of their breaking of rule in of social distancing. It differentiate the zone in green or red zone. As we saw that this is a data of Greater Noida. In Sector 1, average people visiting is 600, and now you can saw that there is a four column in the table: location, average people visiting, number of course these are for maintaining the discipline of social distancing, and people disobeying social distancing, which are the major cause. So when you saw in Sector 1, there is 600 pupils and number of cops are 36. People disobeying social distancing is 76, which is way more or less according to the number of people visiting. And helping for 30 for them 30, 76 people, 36 cops are way more larger, है ना? So this is all this is also my comes under my idea to efficient use of cops. So you can see that 36 cop are of no use for managing the 76 pupils, है ना? And when you see in sector 7, huh, it is average people are visiting 335 and number of cops in an area is 2050, but the people disobeying is 211, which is way more larger according to the number of people visiting in that area. And for managing 211 people, it is very hard for 22 cops. So based on these raw data, the authority will process these data and differentiated the area into different zones and place the cops according to their disobeying pupils. So when we saw the process data, that there is right now there is a 5 columns. Out of this, there is a location, average people, number of cops in an area, and people disobeying social distancing. And there is another new column which is known as zone. I just saw that there is a seven in first column, 600 people out of there is a 76 people who are disobeying the social distancing. So we mark this zone as a green zone, and you saw there is a difference in the number of cops in two. So there is a 24 cops in a process data, and in raw data there is a 36. So we decreased or we replaced the useless cost from sector 1 and placed to the another region. So when you saw in sector 7, there is a 335, but the number of cops are very less. So when we saw in sector 7, so there is a we increased the number of cops and it's increased to 100. So it is easy for them 100 cops to managing 200 pupils visiting per hour in that area. So this is all about my idea, and the advantages of my idea is to easy to monitor the large area. Just because if for a eagle or for a bird, it is very easy to see large people from the upside, but for a man, it is not easy to see a people from a lateral side. So this is my another advantage. In a less manpower, a large area would be covered because of the CCTV. There are may more CCTV plays in a different area on traffic light, so we can easily see the large amount of area and see what people are following the social distancing or not. Due to this effort, we are able to minimize the local police effort, as we can see that our almost all police department is right now busy in maintaining the discipline for social distancing. Due to this, we can minimize their work. And my fourth advantage is throughout this, through our local police can do other efficient job. Yeah, because this disease, our most of the policemen are busy in maintaining the discipline, and other works cannot do because they are not free out of it. So this is all about. Thank you. Hello.
Okay, Aditya, have you completed?
Yes, sir. I am complete.
Okay, ma'am, do you want to ask any question from Aditya?
Yeah, it's a very nice idea. Are you pursuing some other research in it?
Hello.
Yeah, Aditya, you have to answer.
Yeah, Aditya.
Sir, I'm not
Are you
getting
pursuing
your
any further work in it? Because it is concise to Noida itself. After the
Hello.
lockdown, will you extend the research?
Ma'am, I do some of the research, but it is from upside. I'm not doing a deep research. It is a very rough research which I can do. So after when I'm implementing this idea, right now I'm working on my some of the data science project which I'm using to create the data, collect the data from the authority, and I have creating a website in which I will show the different statistic data following the social distancing or not. This is my basic idea which I already implement in my website.
Website?
Hello.
Yes,
Which website you have launched?
Ma'am, my website is because I am using my database as a GitHub, so I will provide you a link if you want.
okay. Is there anyone else who wants to present their presentation? Anuj Gupta.
Sir, he's from my team, so
Okay,
we
he's
are
from
on
your
same
team.
team, na?
Okay.
Okay.
Is there anyone else? Mr. Vipin? Is there anyone else who wants to present their presentation?
Sir, I can mute myself, na?
Yeah, just wait for a minute. Okay, so those who have presented their presentation can leave.
Okay.
Latika ma'am, I will send you the other presentation on your email. Those who have not presented their presentation, there are, I guess, 4 of them. Is that okay with you, or should I just show to you?
What's up?
Yes, ma'am?
No issues.
I'm not audible.
You can share the PPTs with me.
Should I share it right now, or should I email it to you?
Email later.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for coming. Okay, Divya, if you can leave.
Okay, sir. Thank you.